Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at lot number 48 located in Shady Oaks in Ormond Beach, Florida. This is an all-age community. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath manufactured home. Very well maintained, has LVP flooring throughout. Here's a nice deck for your sitting and entertaining area. Take a step inside. Right through the doors here is your dining area. Nice open concept. Wood cabinets. Nice countertops. Nice living room area. Take a walk down the hallway here. To your right, or to your left here is your first bedroom. Straight back here is your second bedroom. Right over here is your master bedroom. Equipped with your ensuite. Double vanity. Extra closet for storage. Shelving. Nice shelving for your linens. And back down this way. Sure. Second bathroom. Equipped with a full-size tub. Straight into the laundry room. The pantry. Storage. Right through here is your screen porch. So come on down, check it out. It is lot number 48, located in Shady Oaks in Ormond Beach, Florida. All-age community.